Hey friends, welcome back to another video. So today's video is a little bit different to what I usually do. I'm starting off with no makeup, messy, dirty hair. My cats will probably be in the background and they also jump on this window. Also, this is my vlogging camera, so I keep looking up there instead of at the lens, so I'm really sorry, I'm just not used to using this camera. Today we're going to be dyeing my hair and cutting my hair. I have never, my cat's just staring at me, I have never cut my hair before, so this could end pretty badly, but I've watched a couple of tutorials and I feel like I'll be fine, but we're just gonna see. I've officially reached that point where I'm just so bored with my hair that I just need to do something with it, and I know that's when like the hair fails sort of start to appear, so we're just gonna see how it goes. So I'm going to cut my fringe first. I do have like, I think they're called curtain bangs. So I'm gonna fix them up because I can't justify going to the hairdresser just to get the bangs done because yeah, it's too much effort. So I'm gonna try and cut them myself. I just realized I was sitting in front of an open window and my neighbors are like right there, so they probably just heard everything I was saying. Oh! So yeah, usually I would, well I wouldn't because I usually go to the hairdresser, but usually they would wet your hair and then cut it. I don't want to wet my hair and then have to dry it again to then put the hair dye on, so I'm going to take my hair out to start with because that would definitely help. So please excuse the state of my hair. I haven't washed it in a few days, so it's not gonna look the best. Yeah, but I want to dye my hair on dirty hair, so we're just gonna have to deal with it with my comb. So I'm gonna start with parting it in the middle and then just getting my natural curtain bang style already out. Okay, I think that, oh my god, I have never looked worse. Because my hair, like, when it's dirty, I just chuck it in a bun. So my hair, like, oh my god. I look so bad right now. Okay, so as you can see, you can kind of see where they've already, like, cut the layers. But it is so overgrown. Like that's the shortest layer there. And when I usually get it cut, I get it cut, like, the shortest layer about there. So that's really overgrown. So yeah, again, as you can see, the shortest layer, that's like not too overgrown. Oh, I guess it is. But yeah, it's just not looking great. Okay, so in the tutorial, I'm gonna actually finish sectioning my hair before I get too carried away. So I think that's pretty good. I'm gonna just pin some of my hair back. I got these clips from Kmart because my sectioning clips aren't very good. Okay, that's good enough. So now we're just gonna comb this to the front. I'm really sorry if you're watching this and cringing. I would be too, and I will probably cringe while I'm editing this. But like I said, I just don't care anymore. I've officially hit that point of not caring. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna bring this section down. Oh, okay, I'm starting to feel regret. This feels like too long, but okay, if I start short, I mean, if I start long, I can make it shorter. Okay, that's what everyone always says, so okay, it doesn't have to be perfectly straight. Oh my gosh. The hair. Oh, that belongs on my head. Where do I put this? Okay, that's not that bad. Now, the hardest part. I'm gonna try and layer it. It's fine. This is fine. It actually isn't that hard. Oh gosh, I got a really short bit. I have no idea if I'm doing this right. I'm probably not, but it's gonna at least look better than it did before. Like, I feel like that doesn't look too bad. I mean, obviously it looks bad because my hair's dirty and my hair just looks bad in general when it's dirty. But yeah, I don't know. I don't feel like I've done a horrible job. Like, I feel like I want these bits to be a little bit shorter. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave that side at that just because I'm scared I'm gonna go way too short. And I can always fix it up after I wash my hair. So we're gonna move on to this side. I don't know what this piece of hair is doing. Okay, that side we're just gonna ignore. That side's finished. I'm gonna go into this side. Okay, let's get both sides out and just see how we're looking. And she also does this thing where you like snip upwards, so oh my gosh, I'm literally covered in hair. I don't know, like I think it looks okay. Once it's styled, it's gonna look a lot better. And once my hair is actually washed, you know what? I'm gonna leave it at that because I feel like this is just good enough. I mean, when I style my hair, I mess it up anyway, so you're probably not even gonna notice that I even have a curtain fringe, but I think that's good enough. I feel like I need to get this hair off me. I'm just shoving it all in a bag. That's how much hair I took off. It's not that much. Okay, I need to get this off my t-shirt. So I've got a bowl and a brush, which I haven't used before. Usually I just use my fingers, but we're gonna try this since this is actually the first time dyeing my hair by myself. Usually my partner helps me dye it, but I'm gonna try and do it myself. So let's see, I've got I'm dropping everything. It's also really hot in here. I can't wait to get in the shower. I'm so hot. I have to show you, this is the hair dye I'm using. It's the Garnier Olia 1.0 Deep Black. I love this hair dye. This is the one I always use. Oh, I didn't even use the freaking brush. And I didn't section my hair. Oh my gosh. I'm literally a mess. No, stuff it. I'm not gonna section. It's just too stressful. So I'm actually gonna pour all this into the bowl that I have. So I'm just pouring it into the bowl. This stuff actually smells so good. Okay, I literally feel no difference with the brush. So I'm really just going for it. I tried the brush method and it just wasn't working for me. So I'm just going in with my fingers and we're just gonna hope for the best. I also didn't put Vaseline on my face just because I just never really need to. I just feel like it's extra effort. And I just want to slap this on. It is like 1,000 degrees in here. So I just want to get this in and get in the shower as quick as possible. So it could be patchy, who knows, but my hair is pretty dark naturally anyway. I'm hoping it just blends in. I really feel like I should have tried harder to section. I hate doing the back of my head and like under my hair. I feel like that's the hardest part. I feel like because it's so hot in here, it's already developing so fast. Okay, I think that's good enough. I'm praying that it's all covered, but I did buy an extra box, so if I wash my hair and dry it everything and I miss a lot of spots, I can do it again, which isn't preferable because I don't really want to damage my hair too much, but it is an option if it's really noticeable. But I've massaged my hair. It looks like everything's covered. I'll show you from the back. Yeah, I'm just hoping I got under here and everything. I do have really thick hair, so it is hard to cover, but considering it's already developing pretty quickly, I'm gonna leave it for the 30 minutes and just see. Okay, I will see you when I have rinsed my hair. Ugh, Fingers crossed, it turns out good.
Meanwhile.
Okay, now I will show you what it looks like. Ta-da! So this is what it's looking like. I'll insert a picture of the before, just because I feel like in videos it's kind of hard to see my natural hair color. But yeah, this is the before sort of picture. This is what my natural hair color looks like. This is it after I've dyed it. I am loving it. I feel so much more like myself. I know I look extra pale, but that's the vibe I'm going for. I like Billy. I like being pale, and yeah, I just feel like this suits me so much more than my brown hair color. I did this sort of makeup look to match with it. I just chose a random purple lip, which I haven't done for like years, so that was kind of random. Hopefully I've got no lipstick on my teeth. But yeah, this is it after. And my fringe, I think I actually did a pretty good job. I mean, you can't really see it that well because of the way I style it. I just sort of like, it just gives me a bit more volume rather than it just like hanging down. And I've also got the fan on at the moment because it's like, literally it feels like it's like 40 degrees Celsius. It is so hot in here. So yeah, the fan kind of looks nice with my hair blowing, and it just sort of adds like just that more like sort of oomph to it rather than just dead straight hair, if you know what I mean. But yeah, I'm so in love with this. I'm not sure if the back is the greatest. I'll show you it. I mean, I won't really know until I'm editing this video, but I was kind of trying to have a look and I might have missed some parts, but I think it all sort of blends. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. It was a lot different to what I usually film, but I had a lot of fun with it. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, make sure you are subscribed. Turn on post notifications down below. Follow me on all my social medias. All of them will be linked in the description box below. And I will see you next week with another video. Bye!
I'm kinda lonely on this Wednesday night, thinking about the things I did that made us